Hey, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today we're going to continue our talk about rhythm with time signatures. Time signatures are like the framework for the groove of a song. If you have a song at 100 beats per minute and it lasts 3.5 minutes, then you'll have 350 beats in the song, which would be a lot to deal with. So what we do is break those beats down into little groups. Most commonly groups of 4, but groups of 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, and anything in between or beyond that are not only possible, but also relatively common. These little groups of beats are called bars or measures. A time signature is the symbol that will tell you how the beats of a song will be grouped into bars. It's two numbers stacked vertically, which looks like a fraction, but it's not a fraction. Actually, it's closer to multiplication. The top number tells you how many beats are in a bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of note each beat is worth. So 2-4, for example, would be 2 quarter notes in each bar. 3-8 would be 3/8 notes in a bar. 4-2 would be 4 half notes in a bar. And that's your Music Minute. If you have any questions about music, leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video.